Can we really design our children? Discover how CRISPR technology is challenging the limits of science and morality, and what it could mean for the future of humanity. Imagine a world where parents can choose their children's characteristics, from eye color and height to resistance to genetic diseases. This world, which once only existed in science fiction, is getting closer to reality thanks to a revolutionary technology called CRISPR. CRISPR, which stands for Clustered Regularly Interspaced Short Palindromic Repeats, is a genetic editing tool that allows scientists to modify DNA with unprecedented precision. Since its discovery, it has opened the door to possibilities previously unimaginable in the fields of medicine and biotechnology. Every day, humanity is more eager for new discoveries, and the fields of research seem endless. But controlling human evolution? Modifying the genetic code? Through a deep dive into the intricate world of microbiology, microbiologist Jennifer Doudna and biochemist Emmanuel Charpentier embarked on a quest that would change the course of science. Their journey began with a desire to understand and simplify the immune system of bacteria against viruses, a millennia-old struggle that challenges the limits of microscopic survival. What they discovered was more than just a defense mechanism. It was a master key to open the doors to genetic editing. By unraveling the mysteries of CRISPR and the enigmatic enzyme Cas9, Doudna and Charpentier unveiled a hidden power in nature: the ability to rewrite the code of life itself. CRISPR technology has become indispensable for cutting-edge research, and we can affirm, without fear of being wrong, that biology will never be the same again. This discovery not only challenges our perception of what is possible in biotechnology, but also sows the seeds of a new era in medicine and scientific research. With CRISPR, diseases once considered incurable are being challenged, and the possibilities for genetic improvement and cure are within our reach. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The ability to edit genes also raises serious consequences and ethical questions. Should we have the right to alter the DNA of our children? Where do we draw the line between medical treatment and human enhancement? Are the long-term effects known? Editing DNA in human embryos also becomes simple. In 2018, Chinese scientist He Jiankui announced that he had created the first genetically edited babies to be resistant to HIV. This announcement sparked a wave of global criticism and ethical concerns, and He Jiankui was subsequently condemned for his actions. The case of He Jiankui is an example of the risks and dilemmas posed by genetic editing. CRISPR-Cas9 genetic scissors do not always cut at the desired place in the DNA, and mistakes can have unpredictable consequences. Moreover, even if the scissors work correctly, the cut leaves a gap in the molecule that the organism closes immediately, sometimes incorrectly, which can lead to unwanted mutations. Ethical concerns also focus on equity and justice. Who will have access to these cutting-edge technologies? Are we creating an even wider gap between those who can afford genetic enhancements and those who cannot? Are we exacerbating existing social and economic inequalities? Furthermore, genetic editing raises questions about biodiversity and evolution. By deliberately altering the genomes of entire species, are we undermining the genetic diversity that supports ecosystem adaptation and resilience? What are the long-term consequences for biodiversity and environmental stability? CRISPR technology is revolutionizing our understanding of biology and medicine, but it also forces us to face deep ethical dilemmas. The possibility of designing our children raises questions about the future of humanity and the society we want to live in. Are we prepared to accept the responsibilities that come with this power? Can we ensure it will be used fairly and ethically? Genetic editing has the potential to eradicate diseases and improve the lives of millions of people, but it could also lead us down a dangerous path if not handled with care. Elon Musk referred to this as the Hitler problem, the perfection of the human race through genetic engineering. Would the world be the same if this had been discovered during the Hitlerian era? Genetic editing, with its ability to manipulate the genetic code of living organisms, presents a complex ethical and moral landscape that must be navigated with caution and deep reflection. It requires a cautious approach, careful deliberation, and consideration of the long-term implications for humanity and the natural world. The question is, are we ready for this new world of designer babies? To modify or not to modify our offspring's genome? Are we playing gods?